Hello friends, this is Bhanu Pratap. Today topic is method of business research. Business research can take many forms, but systematic inquiry is a common thread. Systematic inquiry requires an orderly investigation. Research on management often following a general patterns. First, defining the problem. Second, planning a research design. Third, planning a sample. Fourth, collecting data. Fifth, analyzing the data. Sixth, formulating the conclusion and preparing the report. Let's see business research method. The business research is defined as the systematic and objective process of gathering, recording, and analyzing data for aids in the making the business decision. Research means to search again. The data collected and analyzed are to be accurate. The research need to the very objective. The study of research method provide with the knowledge and skill that need to solve problems and meet to challenge of first pass decision making environment. There are two important factors stimulate and interest in the scientific approach to decision making. Decision making first is a increased need for more and better information. Second, the availability of technical tools to meet this need. Value of business research. The prime value of the business research is that is reduced and certainly by the providing information that improve decision making process. The decision making process is the associated with the development and the implement of strategy. Identify problem for opportunity, diagnosing and assessing problem and opportunities, selecting and implementing a course of action. Why need a research? When a manager faced with two or more possible courses, if action, the researchers carefully need to take a decision. Time constraint, availability of data, nature of information, benefits versus cost. What is a good research? Good research generates dependable data, can be used reliable for making managerial decision. Purpose clearly defined. Next, the process described in sufficient detail. Next, the design carefully planned to yield result. Next, carefully consideration must be given and maintain high ethical standard. And last is conclusion should be based on the data obtaining and justify. Types of research: basic research or pure research, applied research, exploratory research, descriptive research, casual research. Another method is frequently used is management called case study research. This place or emphasis on full contextual analysis of favor event or condition. So guys, I hope this video is useful for student and marketing person. So please like, subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you.